Welcome to KRC's Service Solution video series. Machine tool scraping is somewhat of a lost art nowadays. Finding someone in a shop who can scrape critical surfaces has become next to impossible. Yet we understand the importance of hand scraping in order to maintain machining accuracy.
Productivity and quality decrease as your machine wears. Hand scraping increases the longevity of your machine tool. If your machine is beginning to show signs of wear, KRC can disassemble it, scrape all of the bearing surfaces, and restore your ability to cut good parts. This method will definitely not fix your issue. At KRC, our scrapers can restore your machine tool center height and geometry back to original OEM specifications on site at your facility. Contact me today to find out how our expertise in machine tool scraping can benefit your next big repair.
This has been another 60-second KRC service solution. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other videos on our YouTube channel.